A selfie after Palla river hike. Stay tuned and see the entire video. Palla, it's 8th April 2026. So this is the Palla bridge, Palla Mukti bridge, and I'll go to the Khola. There are dogs. First the dog was scared of me, and then when I gave him biscuit, he was not scared. So that is the Khola I'm looking for. Khola means Nadi or river. From Eden it is walking distance. Post breakfast I did this hiking and I was enjoying the cool weather. And this is the Pala bridge. So I clicked some picture over there. Going towards Pala river, so that was the bridge. I crossed this road uh, and don't dare to use Google Maps. So I started around 9:25 and it's not even 10. So I reached here. I can walk fast, it's better. Don't walk fast, and I'm habituated with this place, and stick is important, so it will be better for your walking. That is the main thing why my speed limit is too much. So I'm going towards Palla river, and with me local people are really good, when because I respect them, no matter whoever it is. So I ask them politely, and yes, I don't use the word boini or daju because they know we are tourists. So if we know two words, it doesn't help. Rather be natural, be normal. And I ask them कि आप मुझे बता सकते हो कैसे जा सकते हैं, आप not तुम. So this is how they guided me. They told me that I have to take this right, not as such road, but they guided me how to go. uh, Hindi is the language. You can they can speak in Nepali, but if you don't know, you can use always Hindi. Here goes the Pala river. So that is the Pala bridge. From there I cross that, and there is no shortcut from here. There are lots of homestays. They're building homestays, local people. So this is kind of pond, you can say. So the river is coming down from there, and after that it is kind of pond. Maybe they will prepare something for swimming. So right now it's 8th of April 2026, so water is not much. In November you will get lots of water, and definitely it will be like very cold. I can see, I think, some fish, teeny fish. Carefully I was crossing these boulders and this area, because when you are solo you have to take your own responsibility. Nobody is there, so you have to take care of yourself. I have to take care of myself, and nobody is there to click picture or take video. So selfie stick is better, and safety is always the first priority. So there you can see these are teeny fish, baby fish, and don't touch them, because you don't know it is poisonous or not. So I don't touch them. If you come, they will go. These are the teeny fishes. Let's see if I can go there or not. Get down and then try. Oh, yes, it's here, and I'll go that way because this is the slippery one. I'll take a picture later. And from here, yeah, yes, it is there. So I won't cross it because this is very slippery, so I won't cross. Safety is the matter. That is my bag, and I can go there. The boulders are there. Let me check if it's cold or not. Yes, this one is very cold. Not like November, but yes, cold. Nice one. If you are, I would say adventurous, yeah. So if you want to go close to nature, you can come. Mica, I can see. Micas are here. What I miss that I am here. I am seriously missing my father. If he is here, we will fight like anything. He will keep telling me, "Are joler kache jas na, ek barabari hoye jacche," and all. So that is missing. That background sound is missing. So I am here right now, and I'll go down. Definitely I'll go down, and there are some wooden bridge. Let me see if I can cross or not. And let me show you some magic. This is a glitter mica, and then if it's not in sunlight it won't glitter, but once it's in sunlight it will glitter. So these are basically mica coated, a normal stone, but then it will glitter. This is the wooden bridge I crossed. Basically the local people are using to cross this Pala river. Right now it is not monsoon, so you cannot see Pahadi Nodi or the river. So the bridge is actually shaking. My hand is not shaking. My mobile is attached with the selfie stick, at the same time selfie stick is attached with my body. So that's why I click this video. So if you don't have any experience of that, don't try to do that. It is risky. So you can see how the bridge is shaking. So have to be very careful and always think about your own safety, what I always maintain. Once I crossed the bridge, then only I took this selfie. Otherwise I don't dare. Safety is the concern. This is the mica coated stone I was talking about. That's the wooden bridge I crossed. Yes, I crossed this bridge, wooden bridge. It's made by local people. So little bit of adventure, as you can see. There are homestays. So little bit of adventure are there. Pala to Reli, if you're going from there, so the road is really very bad. There is no road basically. Local people told me that you can go, but the road is really very bad. Reli, Pala to Reli, that is the Sangam, you can say. So right now there is it's dry. Otherwise it will be a big problem. So adventurous mind or what? I won't suggest. If you're not fit enough, don't come and don't rush. I am walking very slowly and I have my biscuit and water in my bag. Let's see if I can cross it or not. And after that, when I'll go back to Kolkata, I don't know how many painkiller I have to take. My mom and dad, they have to suffer more because jokes apart, let's see. But yes, I am not doing anything which will be a life risk. So be careful, don't rush, and don't do for like, share, subscribe. I won't do that. I like it. My father, I have a gene of my mother who is a sports person, and who used to be a sports person, and my father who used to trek. So that is the gene, that is the blood I have. That's why in Kolkata I am sick, but when I am coming outside I am not that sick, luckily. Wood, I can say touch wood, so touch stone. By the way, I'm from Rourkela, so I'm from a steel city, that steel woman. Let's go. So this is really now my shoes are drenched. I cannot go forward because I don't know, because there is no current as such, but I don't know where I have to go. I'm just going forward and forward, so I don't know where I have to go. It's time to back off. When needed, I take rest and then I move on. I was walking for a long time, you saw, but still there is no sign of Reli river, and I am alone. Here Google Map won't work. You have to depend on local people. They said that it will be tougher. So Just I will cross one stone and after that I'll see if I can go or not. Already my shoes are drenched. Let's see if I can go forward or not, and otherwise I have to go back. That is much more tougher. That was they're picking up stone from river. Factory is there. So I was very close, but then I cannot find the Eden. That's why I saw 3 local guys are going there. They're workers. So I'm taking another path. So what happened? I asked them कि यहाँ से हम जा सकते हैं रेली रिवर तक, तो कि दे सेड के अरे मैडम यहाँ से आप ऊपर चले जाओ, यहाँ पे आपको रोड मिलेगा, रोड से आप चले जाएंगे। यहाँ पे फिर थोड़ा थोड़ा तो पानी होगा। एंड येस माई शूज़ आर drenched, so I thought to yeah, I'll just go from that way. It's better not to go around and around and roam around, so it's better to go back. This is my decision making skill. I'm not saying that I always take the right decision, but yes, I always consult with the local people. I listen to them and I don't take risks. Adventurous I am, but it is not cost of my own life or anything, because I know at home my parents are worried. So if anything happens to me, it will be their loss. Of course my loss, because my earning won't be there and I cannot have more adventures. So always I take care of myself and I always it's not অনেকে এটা বলে থাকে কি যে আরে লাইফ রিস্ক করার কি আছে, মা বাবার কথা চিন্তা করো। ইয়েস আই ডু, I am worried about that. Even in Eden also, Eti bhai, auntie, Bimal uncle, they are also very good and they always take care of me. So I took their suggestion. Auntie told me that you go to Palla river and then you come back. So that's it. And one thing happened. Karma uncle, he was our driver. So more than driver, I can say he is a uncle figure for me. First he thought I am a local lady. So when he saw my profile picture, he said ke aapka number bhejo. First he said madam, and after that he was calling to me. It was very sweet of him, and obviously he is very caring and protective. Lots of knowledge about Kalimpong and the history. So first he said कि अरे I thought you are a local lady, कोई homestay का होगा इसीलिए मैंने सोचा. Even when in Kalpana I was having breakfast, he asked कि Kalimpong जाना है. Even I thought okay, he is something local driver, some share cab driver. I said कि no. Then he called me. I pick up. He said कि अरे तुम्ही ना की. So this is the fun. He said कि you don't look like a Bengali, you have a Northeast kind of face. So maybe I'm privileged for that. My mother, she looks like Northeast, and I also look like that. So it is fun basically. So being solo traveler or a leader, you have to take your own decision. You have to think very quickly. So I took the decision to go towards the Reli River. So I went back to Eden, have lunch, and then I went to Reli River from other way. So stay tuned for the next video for my lunch, and then the Reli hike will be there.